Right, you're hitting the ball fat or you're chunking it. So here's the problem. You're early releasing or casting into the ground, and probably you have a little bit of a reverse weight transfer. So what you're going to do is you're going to use the Saber this way. Take the Saber, hold it at the end that says light snap. You're going to work the Saber back to the halfway position. Now, if you've got that reverse weight transfer, what we're going to work on is a shift snap. So you're going to take your feet, put them together, go to the top of your backswing, let the timing mechanism drop. You're going to step or shift and then snap. Okay, so feet together, take the Saber back, halfway, step, you're shifting, right? You're loading this way, and then you're snapping. So what we're doing is the opposite. If you were hitting it fat and you had a cast and a poor weight shift, you'd be doing something like this. You'd get it to here, you'd be stepping backwards and casting it on this side. So we don't want to do it that way. We want to do it this way. When the Saber's set here, you're stepping, you're loading, and then you're working on snapping later, not earlier. So if you're hitting it fat or chunking it, especially in your full swing, use this Saber exercise to hit more down on the back of the ball and strike it more cleanly.